Hello, it's Jennifer from Curious Moon Design here, and today we're going to be going through our new junk journal pack. So this one is the rock pool journal. So this one's all about the seaside and all the amazing creatures and things that are going on around that area. So let's dive in, as it were. So here is one of our signature pages. So it's kind of set up almost like a seasonal magazine subscription. So we have like the volume on there and the price, and it's kind of set out a bit rugged, like the coastline. And so we've printed them with double-sided, so we can show you some of the other features as well. So this is one of the photograph pages. It's kind of layered. So this is one of the anemones in the rock pool. So you've got some nice layering here and some texture over the top as well, and a nice light reflection on the pool. And then here we've got one of the line pages with a few extra details on it. We've got the lovely message in a bottle down here, kind of a reoccurring motif of the starfish on here. And then just a really nice kind of like highlight around the edge here as well to make your crafting pop there. So, and on the back we have a kind of like tea stained look, but we've done it in a blue wash to fit with the rest of the pack. We have some line pages as well in there for you for any extra additions. This one is Bucket and Spade Days. So really nice evocative kind of memories going on here. Really lovely like lighthouse cards. I'll fold that out so you can see it. And then the crab, the starfish. This one is a really nice textured piece of paper printed. One of those really thick almost seed cards that you get now. The lovely pebbles you'd find on the shore. Some tea stained as well. Then here we have a little collection, kind of like specimen logo here. The nice textured paper again. Kind of fits with the lovely textures of the corals and the shells. And then one of the beautiful compass jellyfish. So where we live in the UK, these are actually quite common in summer. You have to be quite careful when you're swimming in there, but they are absolutely gorgeous. As you can see there, that illustration really really brings it to life there. Some more lined paper as well. Then we go on to one of the photograph type pages. So this is an image of some seaweed layered onto a tea stain. We've then got the jellyfish again on a little postcard. Really nice little stamp here as well. So obviously, again, as usual, you guys are so creative. You create all these brilliant things with these, but you can obviously use the pages full, but then obviously there are these nice details. You can print them out, cut them out again, reuse all these shapes. There's some really nice different shapes in this pack that I think are really natural, kind of curvaceous forms. Tea stained on the back, and we have also the writing layered. So this is a really nice textured piece. It might be really interesting to kind of experiment with what you print this on to see how that comes out. Always love seeing that. Okay, another one of the signatures on here. This is a seaweed, sea lettuce actually, and the cormorant. This one, a little journal piece here from the different tides and things that were seen on the beach. Little postage stamp there, and some nice photographs as well, old photographs. And then the mussel with the blue stain on the background, kind of tying all that theme in together. We have another photo piece here, which is layered with some textures. This is sea algae with the lovely like spots of light coming through the water. This is a really pretty pack, really lovely. Kind of spring, summery, lovely pops of colour, and as you see moving into the pattern pieces now, we're really bringing out these colours. So this one has the seahorse, the jellyfish, the seaweed, so it's all on there. Really lovely pattern, that one. I mean, that would work really well as like nice pockets and things, which we do have in the pack as well. And but obviously you can really get creative with these ones. This one has the combination of the jellyfish and seahorse again in a different kind of theme, different colours to this one. The other one's kind of more of a kind of green scale neutral. This one's kind of got those pops in it. More tea stained as well. And then here we are, another pattern, all the beautiful shells that can be found beach combing. Really gorgeous, nice pops of colour. And in the background we've got this kind of lovely green hue of the sea. Now here, this one actually is for a kind of little notebook, so I'll show you an example of what you could perhaps make with this. So this is one of the nice little samples that Anne made. You've probably seen this on YouTube, and then you can add these additions in there. So this would be your front cover. So and then we have some little additional tabs here, so things like rock pool journal, seashore notes that you could have here. So this would make a really lovely little gift for someone who's into their nature and rock pooling, perhaps spending time at the sea. Then we have some tabs. Again, going back to our creatures of the sea motif, all the rock pool type creatures. Really beautiful, and some lovely textures there. And we have these note cards. These are some of the kind of like botanical illustrations of the shells. So those would be really lovely for cutting up, adding onto tabs and pockets. These could actually be cut up really nice and mounted onto card and maybe put into the seashore journal. So that would make a lovely gift. You could cut those out and have them in there for people to make little notes. So same again with the different background. This has the anemone background on there, so you can just about see it in the background. Again, bringing in those lovely different textures when you think about being at the seashore. You've got the rocks, the lovely softness of the seaweed, the contrast of like the harsh barnacles, and I think this pack is really like evocative of those. Belly band, which has all the shells on across. And then we have some pockets and nice little page tabs using the patterns from the rest of the pack. And then we have some word sheets for you as well. So that kind of all the context of things from the sea. And we've got these in 2 different colourways as well. So things like the ocean, memories, journal, the different kind of things like the low tide you might see. So these might be really nice on your page tabs, perhaps if you were making some sort of journal using this theme. Some large tabs mixed in here using our patterns. And then these ones are some combination ones. So we've got the bunting and the mussel with the journal journal pages, the little message in the bottle there. So a real different like mix of everything. And then we've got some more bands here as well to finish on. So it's a really nice colourful pack, like I say. I think you can, you know, really pull this one together for perhaps you're a nature lover yourself and you like spending time at the sea. Might be nice to make yourself something to record some of your experiences there, and really hope you enjoy it. So let us know what your makes with this pack, and as always let us know if there's any particular themes that you're looking for out there. So until next time, bye bye, hope you enjoy.